It has definitely been too long since I last made a video, but I am currently being sucked back into the mechanical keyboard rabbit hole. Save yourselves. Though it could be worse. I could have bought something more expensive than this. Jelly Blues. Also, I'm not forgetting more sound deadening this time. And I got more like smaller stuff like coming soon. I'm still waiting for it to arrive. And this is my trusty Red Dragon K552 with Razer PBT keycaps. I got some foam inside here, but it's not enough. And these are not regular Otemu Blues. These are Jailhouse modded. Jailhouse modded, lubed. Scratchy. Stock Jelly Blues. Smooth.